Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to crochet the white band for this beautiful hand gajra. If you've already watched my crochet rows tutorial, you can easily combine both to make this complete hand gajra. So let's get started. First, make the required number of foundation chains. Now work single crochet across the chain to create the base row. Continue with single crochet for the next row. After that, start making the design by using double crochet and triple crochet stitches according to the pattern. Repeat the same stitch sequence until your band reaches the desired length. Now we'll make the green chain. Take your green yarn and crochet a simple foundation chain long enough to pass through the white band and tie comfortably around the wrist. Once the chain is ready, weave it through the spaces in the white crochet band, going over and under each opening until it reaches the other end. Adjust it evenly on both sides. This green chain gives the hand gajra a beautiful finishing touch and makes it easy to wear. If you haven't made the crochet rows yet, the complete rows tutorial is already available on my YouTube channel. You can watch that tutorial and then stitch the rows between these two white bands to complete your hand gajra. Now it's time to assemble our hand gajra. Take the crochet rows and place it in the center of the two white bands. Using a yarn needle and the same colored yarn, stitch the flower securely onto the white gajra. Make sure it is attached firmly from the back so it stays in place while wearing. Once the flower is stitched, adjust the petals to give the rose a full and neat look. Finally, trim any extra yarn and weave in the loose ends. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.